Avant 650i with the 15-inch tires, and the ball hitch with towing pin option has ball sits somewhat higher than regular car hitches do, and because of that, the attached car trailer has a backwards tilt. With heavy load on the trailer and springs compressed, the back end could scrape the ground. With trailer leveled, we can see how much the ball hitch is higher than it should be. So about 12 centimeters. Also, I would like to use the ball hitch and this 36 kilogram rear weight at the same time, so I'm going to fabric cobble something together after raiding the scrap iron pile. Found some C-channel, trying to see how it fits together. Looks like the original hitch's bottom would sit way too low, so let's try with a different style hitch. I think it looks much better. Marking and cutting out the 45-degree slope shape. The Hilti 230mm grinder crapped out after one cut, so back to trusty old 125mm Metabo. A bit of cleanup with grinding disc and good to go. Using the FEIN KBM 50 auto magnetic drill. For the ball hitch M16 bolts, I'm pre-drilling with 10mm drill bit and using 16.5 drill bit after that. For M12 bolts, I'm drilling 30mm holes into the bracket. And a bit of deburring. 1.2 mil drill bit for the M12 thread. Started threading with this shallow angle M12 tap. And chase the thread with this bottoming tap, and after that the bolt fits quite nicely. Avant has a 7-pin electrical trailer socket, so 7 to 13 pin adapter is needed. Now there's a slight tilt forward, but once the load is put on the trailer, it will most probably level out.